Hello, Kat here. Today I'm going to show you how to put together this cross pop-up card from Cricut Design Space. First off, cut all your pieces using your Cricut machine. Lay them out so you know what you have, and begin with folding the outside edge of the card, which has a score line down the center. The next step would be to take the two white panels to go inside the card. One is going to be the other side of that cross cutout that you see, so I chose one piece of card that's shiny on one side to give it a little shine when it's glued down. And you can use glue for this, or you can use your trusty tape gun like I have mine. You just want to make sure that the glue or the tape doesn't go anywhere that it would come through the cutouts on either side of the card. Once that's done, just pop it to one side and grab the blue cross that's in the center of the card and your glue. Now this bottle I got in a pack of 2 from Michael's, and this is my Recollections glue that I always use. It dries really quick and clear, and I find if you put it in one of these bottles with a fine tip, it's easy to do those card cutouts with the intricate details like this one. I've sped it up a bit for you because there's quite a bit of gluing. So these next bits can be cut out of cardstock and glued, which is quite fiddly and takes a little bit of time. It depends on your patience, but you could also cheat a little bit and actually cut these out of vinyl. If you cut it out of vinyl, then it's sticky and it's going to go on the front of the cross much quicker and much easier than gluing it on. I use my tweezers just to make sure that it went in the correct place. So there are 2 white crosses that go on top of the light blue crosses, which would then go either side of the blue cross in the center. Now these light blue crosses have tabs at the bottom, and you want one on one side and one on the other side. So make sure you glue that white cross to the right, the correct side of that piece of cardstock. So this is the ultimate tricky bit. This is putting the pop-up aspect together, and really it is just lining them up. There's 3 slits in the connecting pieces and there's 3 bits of card, and it's just taking a little bit of patience. So I put these in the end slits. The dark blue goes in the middle slit, and then the other light blue goes on the opposite side in the 3rd slit, and the bigger pieces that look like flowers go in the base, and then the little rectangles with the 3 slits in go in the top, and that's to secure the structure and make sure that the pop-up will lie flat and pop up and be that 3D illusion when it stands up as well. Next up, you want to place it on the semicircles. So the 2 tabs stick out on opposite sides, and they go through these little slits on each semicircle. This is also going to fold flat in the center of the card, so make sure it's in at the right angle, and then you're going to just glue those tabs onto the back of the semicircles so it's hidden underneath when it's inside the card. So now if you stand it up, it should stay, and then what we're going to do is attach the semicircles to the inside of the card. Choose which angle you'd like your cross to sit at, but also make sure that the ends of the cross don't stick out of the card. The biggest thing with pop-up cards is making sure that they lie flat and within the perimeters of the card without sticking out, because if it does stick out, it's not going to fit into the envelope that you make for it. Stick around though, because I am going to show you how to put together that envelope. It does show you in Design Space to cut one out. I like to use lightweight paper for it, patterned paper, and then the inside of my envelope is patterned. So you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you how to put those envelopes together very, very easily. And very quickly, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos. Check out some of my other videos. I've got lots of pop-up ones by Cricut, some I've designed myself, and some from SVG cuts as well. And if there's something you'd like to see or you have any questions, then please add it in the comments, and I try to get back to everybody as quickly as I can. So here we have your finished card, just in time for Easter, but you could probably use this for any occasion as well. It's a really pretty card, a simple pop-up, and one you can easily make with your Cricut machine. Thank you for watching, have fun making this card, and I will see you on the next one.